As creatives, you feel pressed for time. You have to create X amount of videos a week, learn 25 different social platforms, and on top of all that, interact with clients so that you can make money and grow your brand. To say that feels like a lot is kind of an understatement. Hey, I'm Kraft, and I help new creatives grow their skill set and earn money. And today, I'm gonna help break down my framework that helps me grow my video editing business, earn money, and not feel so overwhelmed. What I love about this pathway we're gonna go through today is it's not only helped me earn money, it's helped me find the right clients and know even when to say no to a client. So the first thing we have to do is we have to clarify the problem. By clarifying the problem, we discover the why behind why we do what we do. When I first started this YouTube channel, I would just make videos to make videos. I made gaming videos, I made how to grow your channel videos, I made all sorts of stuff. But now, I have a why, a focus, a reason why I create, because I am solving a problem. The same was said in my video editing business. Instead of taking on every single client that may come my way, I now take on only a select few clients who help me get further in where I want to go and for solving my why. What's my why? I help new creatives grow their skill set and earn money. I want to make sure that from every project I take on, it's centered around that why for me. So clarify the problem that you are specifically unique and designed to solve. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to clarify the audience. Clarify who exactly you are solving this problem for. For me, it's two unique people who I just created off the top of my head. Their names are Zane and Sarah. Zane and Sarah are mid-25-year-old creators who want to figure out how they can earn extra money to pay off debt. They want to figure out how they can grow an online audience and how they can make effective and engaging content. Well, for Zane and Sarah, that's who I create for. Now, of course, Zane and Sarah aren't real people. I've never met either of these two people that I have fictionally created, but they are my target demographic. When you are growing your video editing business or you're creating a YouTube channel, having a target demographic really helps you zone in on who you're creating for and why. Will I help people outside of my target demographic? Sure, I want to do that, but having a target demographic helps me know what I'm aiming at. Create a target audience for you as you build out the framework for your business. We're next going to clarify the community. As we clarify where the community lives, we are able to begin interacting with the people we specifically want to solve a problem for. For me, a lot of the people who I solve problems for live on TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Those are excellent platforms for me to hang out on and connect with people in. But maybe the platforms you hang out in aren't those three. Maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's another platform altogether. But whatever platform it is, that's where you need to be living, and that's where you need to be engaging with the most amount of people to grow your brand. And then after you've clarified the community, I want you to clarify the platform you specifically are going to create on. Now, that doesn't mean you can't repurpose your content for multiple different platforms, but I want you to have one platform that you are singularly focused on and growing. For me right now, it's my YouTube channel. That is the one platform I am consistently focused on to make sure I can grow and succeed and build my business. And then last but most certainly not least, clarify the rhythm. Show up consistently. When you show up matters. It could be once a month, it could be twice a month, it could be 3 times a week. I don't care how often you show up. I care that you show up consistently. So make sure your audience knows when you show up, they know why you show up, and you show up consistently. Now to recap, we're gonna clarify the problem. We're gonna know exactly what problem we solve and our why behind creating content. We're gonna clarify that audience. We're gonna know who we specifically solve that problem for. We're gonna clarify where they live by understanding our community. Where do they live? What platforms they're hanging out on? And we're gonna hang out there too. Then we're going to clarify the platform. We're going to pick one singular platform that we're creating for and going all in on. And last but not least, we're going to clarify the rhythm and show up consistently. Hey, I hope this helps you not only grow your video editing business, but level up as a creator. If you've loved learning today, click this video right here to keep learning.